With its air deck floor system, Marmorite Betonindustrie from Houthalen launches a revolutionary project of prefab floor plates. The air deck floor is a prefab floor plate containing hollow cubical boxes of recycled polypropylene. The new patented floor system makes for significant savings. There's a weight saving of up to 35% compared with a solid floor, and much less concrete is necessary for production. Production duration and costs are also kept to a minimum thanks to a completely automated production process. Shortage of raw materials such as gravel, as well as ecological considerations, inspired Marmorite to search for an alternative to traditional floor plates. That's just the thing. Working with air. During the production of air deck slabs, a robot places hollow boxes on a wide floor plate with reinforcement beneath. The bottom shell also contains lattice girders, which ensure a perfect fit with the poured concrete. During on-site assembly, the boxes are also much more robust to handle. They can carry up to 180 kilos per box. The floor plate can be produced in all sizes and shapes, with a maximum of 4 meters width and 10 meters length. All elements are tailor-made and generate savings for all types of piping. The slabs are almost seamlessly connected to each other on the construction site thanks to the angled side joint. Another important advantage of air deck is that beams or column heads are unnecessary. The result is a very flat underfloor and better use of free height or a lower construction height. In the absence of these elements, and thanks to the lighter and literally airy floors, the complete construction project can save up to 50% in costs. Thanks to its flexibility, the air deck floor system also gives designers more creative freedom. Architects can freely set up columns and partitions and erect large span concrete slabs. That gives us enormous freedom. As a result, we can perfectly fit the building structure to its function.
Van het gebouw perfect laten overeenkomen met de functie die er achteraf zal in gehuisvest worden.
We can easily add concrete core activation to the air deck floor slab. This enables the concrete mass to heat or cool the building. We lay the piping in the slab between the boxes. This method is hygienic, durable and requires no maintenance.
Tussen de boxen worden dan de leidingen geplaatst. Naar hygiëne is dat perfect. Naar onderhoud is dat perfect, want die zitten volledig beschermd. We hoeven daar later nooit nog iets aan te doen. En het is een hele duurzame manier om het gebouw te gaan koelen.
The reduced overall height of air deck floors allows for optimal use of the maximum allowed building height. For every 8 floors built in accordance with traditional construction methods, an extra one can now be realized, which makes for incredible added value in urban areas. The constructor gets more free space without the hassle of elements such as columns and supporting beams, and there's no dumping of screed with air deck floors. The building contractor also profits from air deck. Placement is simple and fast. The elements weigh less. The number of crane movements is limited. Contractors also need fewer staff at a time when trained construction professionals are in short supply. The boxes being placed in advance means that much less concrete needs to be pumped on site. Moreover, because air deck is prefabricated in a factory, production can continue all year round. Air deck has been successfully applied on Utrecht College campus in the Netherlands. The building now has 9 construction levels and begins as low as 5 meters above the ground. Marmarit intends to conquer the construction world with AirDeck. The flooring market is clearly taking off, from Europe to the Middle and Far East. Restricted construction space means that building at altitude is increasingly necessary. Concrete and steel prices are increasing, gravel and cement are becoming scarcer and more expensive. Even if you only save up to 35% in raw materials, there'll be a huge difference in price.
Technisch zijn er natuurlijk ook heel wat positieve aspecten.
There are more advantages. The slab weighs less, which relieves the foundation, so it's cheaper. Moreover, it's becoming increasingly difficult to find good raw materials. That also plays a role. It's a question of economy and ecology.
Om aan goede grondstoffen te geraken. Het zal altijd moeilijker worden. Dus door het feit dat we veel minder grondstoffen gebruiken, is dat ook een milieuvriendelijke, maar ook economische factor die meespeelt.
With AirDeck, Marmarit shows that you can also sell air in the true sense of the word, and that this is no longer a fantasy, but reality.